Okay, so do you know where we are? This is the beaches. Enrico fell in love. He loves this area. Homes in Toronto are crazy expensive. So I don't know if you're gonna find something to rent here. It's like double to 3 times the cost of rent in Italy. Enrico says he feels like he's in Miami, like in Florida, in a way. And so there is a sandy beach, and people are here having barbecues and enjoying their summer. I think it's still beautiful in winter too, because you have the lake, and it looks like an ocean because Lake Ontario is huge.
Io non metto piede al 16° piano di un condominio X, mi fa letteralmente cagare, non a Toronto.
Music band. He got nervous because I had the camera pointed at him. But it's beautiful here. So just a closer look at the sand. It actually, the water seems very clean. I know that in Toronto people complain about how polluted and stuff it is, but if you compare it to other cities, I don't think it is. But the water is cold. Cold water. It's cold. So you can see that not everyone's brave enough to spend much time in the water. Actually, some people are. Look at that. When I was a kid, I did actually. I think you get used to it once you're in for a while. Like you can go in. It's like maybe like the Atlantic Ocean level cold, you know? And I've been to the ocean in Portugal, and maybe it's something like that. Here we are. You have more modern homes. If you go down that way, really more colorful, beautiful townhouses. And we parked on this street. You have like older houses like this one here. But you have more modern, nicer houses there. This is what the main street around here looks like. They have a big clock tower down there. There it is. Yeah. We came to Green Eggplant. Okay, this is what they give you just when you sit down. This is a really nice place. I love how they decorated it with art, and they used the wood tables. Okay, this is the second plate of this. Apparently when you finish it, they keep bringing you more. So it's tartar sauce, these two, but first the other one was hummus, but in this one they put 2 tartar sauces. And then this is like an eggplant caponata, but a bit sweeter. This one's really good. Rico likes this one. We made a mistake because I didn't realize it was hot, but this is the mint green tea. And I thought it was going to be a cold drink, but actually it's a hot drink. But okay, we're going to wait and drink it. And we ordered 2 of these. Okay, this is the salmon salad, Mediterranean salmon salad is what it's called. It looks beautiful. This is, I got it with the garden salad, but you have a choice of fries or Caesar salad. And this is a hummus, Mediterranean hummus wrap. I think that was the name of it. Something like that, anyway. There are some beautiful houses around here. We just went a little bit more east by car. And some beautiful houses. And they're actually, the lake's over there.
Would you like to have 5 million?
Oh, yeah, I wish I had.
Bye. No, maybe 5 no, but 4 yes. Okay.
Everyone who lives here, they're on the lake. And on this part, where we went even more east, there are smaller houses and, you know, normal-sized houses.
Yeah. They are building what we like.
Yeah.
Yeah, building one will die.
And the lake is right there.
Ah, if we will find something here.
I know. So nice. But even little homes cost a lot here in Toronto. Because technically we're still in Toronto, but we're going towards Scarborough.